Good morning. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. Getting ready for the day. I'm sore. My legs are so sore. But we're still gonna run. Oh my god, sorry, there's flash. I was not expecting the flash to show up. Come here, baby. Let's go potty. Come here. Let's go potty. With the disposable diapers, we are sticking with the disposable diapers. We're spoiled now. We are not going back to cloth diapers, huh, baby? Disposable diapers all the way. Go there. Okay, just expressed and fed Zoe. Now, time to feed myself. I'm gonna do the same thing as yesterday. A build bar and a protein. No. Build bar and a liquid IV. Pina colada. I don't really want that one. Lemon lime. Okay. So yesterday, it was still like really cold when I went running. And my eyes were crying because of the wind getting in my eye. So I would like go like this to look like I'm wiping off my sweat, but really I was wiping tears. Okay, I ate half of the protein bar. I drank half of my liquid IV. Okay, I think we are ready. I'm just gonna do a little stretchy stretch. I should have charged my headphones yesterday. I still didn't. So I'm just gonna have to use the wire ones, but like, it really didn't bother me. My friends. But it really didn't bother me yesterday, so I don't mind. I'm not as nervous as I was yesterday, but I have like this little bit of like, I'm dreading this because I know how sore my legs are. Just start slow, it's okay. You don't need to go fast. You can go slow. Okay, let's do this. Halfway mark. I just paused my workout to walk and take a little breather, and then I'm gonna start again. So half a mile to go. Yay, we're doing it. The wind is making me cry again, but we got this. Almost done. We got this. 10 seconds slower today. That's okay. I'm really sore. Oh, I'm tired. But we did it. Another mile done. There was other runners out there today, which like encouraged me. They were all like pros, but it still encouraged me. I wasn't as comfortable in this versus the outfit I wore yesterday because I feel like the length of this hoodie is kind of short. So as I was running, I was kind of like going up and I was like pulling it down. So I think I'll stick with the baggy oversized hoodies and sweatshirts when I run. For now, at least, until I feel a little more confident running. I'm slowly learning how to take care of those chickens back there. We got 3 eggs this morning. Ta-da! Need to wash them because they're literally covered in poop. That's so gross. I think I said I'd save this dark chocolate protein shake for like the next time I'm on my period because of the dark chocolate, but I'm just gonna drink it today. I am nervous. I feel like I might have a hard time drinking this one. I don't know, it just doesn't sound good. Even though I've grown to like dark chocolate more, but a dark chocolate milkshake, I don't know. We shall see. But this is from Slate. Their vanilla one was so good. So let's try this dark chocolate one. I need to find a straw. Okay, here we go. Taste test time. It's not that bad actually. It's definitely dark chocolate, like you could taste the dark chocolate, but it's not as like bitter as I was expecting, so it's good. Okay, that's my breakfast. My dad ran to Costco just now because he has some errands he needs to run. But he said he's gonna grab hot dogs for me and him at the food court. So I will have a hot dog for lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and edit and do my work for Styles by JF, and then I'm gonna go shower and get ready for the day because this is not the look.
This.
Yellow.
Hold on. Okay. What's look green, what's looks yellow?
They're different shades of yellow.
That's a different shade of green.
There is a debate in our household whether or not this Gatorade is green or yellow. My parents say
It's
green.
green.
Both my parents say green, but all the youngins say it's yellow. Because it is.
It's green.
That's yellow.
It's green.
It's a different shade of yellow, but it's
It's
yellow.
a light shade of green.
That's yellow. Just got showered up for the day and I let Zoe go outside. And of course, the moment I opened the screen door to let her outside, a big old fat fly just came into the house. So now I'm trying to find it. But you know what? This house is so massive, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it. Let me know if you guys see it, okay? My gosh, my body is so sore. I'm sorry, you're gonna hear me complaining the next several days about how sore that I am. But today I need to edit a video, but Johnny's gonna be home late, so I'm gonna kind of take advantage of the fact that he's not gonna be here this evening to edit as much as I can. And then for dinner, I'm actually not cooking. We have a ton of leftovers, so I told everyone tonight is just leftover nights. Like everyone, it's all gonna be different leftovers too, because there's just so much in there. So I don't have to cook anything for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna have a little mini project for today and I wanna share it with you guys. We are gonna clean out the fridges, maybe multiple. For sure this one, possibly the garage one. I don't think I'm gonna touch the bar one, but we'll see. Let's start with the main one though. We desperately need to clean it out. So over the last month, we've done a pretty good job at cleaning out the food that's in the freezer, the pantry, like we've done a good job. But this is what we're working with right now, and it's a little insane. So we need to clean this. I feel like the smartest and easiest thing to do is to just take everything out and put it on this table and then wipe everything down and then organize it as I put things back. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So first, let me clean off this table so I can use all the space. Also, it is so random that my parents have a little table here when the table, like the actual dining table, is like 2 feet away over there. So when my parents leave, I already told them, and my sisters are in agreement here, we're getting rid of this. Like, we don't even like using this. We just happen to use it because it's right here, but we don't really like using it. This is a poker table. Like, an actual poker table, like the little things and stuff. Okay, table is cleared off. Let's go ahead and take out everything from the fridge. If you leave the fridge open for too long, it starts like playing a song to remind you to close the fridge. Okay, everything here is just what was in this top part of the fridge. So I'm going to wipe all of this down and clean it out. I don't know, maybe I'll adjust some of this. We'll see, but we'll clean that out. This is technically part of the fridge too. It's like the cheese drawer. Yeah, I should go ahead and take all of that out too so I can organize it at the same time. And then the bottom is the freezer and we'll do that separately. But since this is like, you know, más o menos the same category, I'm going to go ahead and empty this portion out too and then reorganize everything. Let's start with the easy stuff like dairy. I just wiped down everything in here too. Let's start with dairy. Wait. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna move these because I don't really know how. So we're just gonna leave the setup as is, but we've got a ton of milk. So let's start with that. There's too much milk in this house. The heck. I wonder if here makes more sense. I don't know. Okay, I'll do it like this. Since lactate is their favorite. Okay, milks. Okay, we have 2 things of heavy cream. Both of these are good. I have to put my starter right there because it doesn't fit anywhere else. So that's a no-brainer, right? Yeah, it doesn't fit anywhere other than right here. Heavy cream. Oh, this whipped cream, I'll put right behind the heavy cream. That's all same family. And then we have coffee creamer. I think just 1. That can go in front of my starter. Or it could also go here. I'll leave it right here. Okay, it could go like that, to be honest. That works. Mayo and sour cream. Sour cream fits right there. Mayo doesn't fit on that side, so I don't know, maybe we'll leave that there. Jalapenos. Also here. Okay, eggs. Obviously, no brainer. And then we have one more thing of eggs here. This is like mainly condiments. Do you see this? There's so many. I would love, if we had less condiments, I'd love to put the eggs right there. That would be so nice. Okay. Or, should eggs go? We'll put eggs right there. Let's see. I don't know what to do next. Okay, meats. Meats should have their own section here. I think under the eggs, like I feel like this should be meats right here. And then we could do like veg and leftovers over here. Okay, this is the part where my family is not going to like me. Because if I see things that are looking really old and crusty, no questions, I'm throwing it away. Deli meat they had here, which I don't think is a bad idea, putting the deli meats here. But we could, okay, no. Yeah, I think maybe I'll keep like a deli meat section right here. That sort of makes sense to me, so I'll leave that. Butter. We've got to have plenty of butter with all of my baking. So butter should have, honestly, butter should have its own section. Okay, I think we need to tackle these condiments here because there's just so many. And I think the easiest thing to start with is all of the hot sauces. So I grabbed a bunch of the hot sauces and let's find a home. The designated spot, I'm feeling something over here because this one, Red Hot, is like a really tall bottle. So maybe we could put all of the hot sauces right here in this section. And then there's like sriracha. Would you consider sriracha mayo to go part of hot sauce? Maybe I'll put it behind. Something like that. Oh my gosh, there's that big old fly. Let me go try and kill it. That had to have been the biggest fly I have ever killed. That was so gross. Okay, I think the next little section here should be like normal condiments, like ketchup, mustard, relish, like, you know, those sort of normal things. Let's see, this is a mustard. It's not expired yet, but if they don't use it soon, it's gonna be in the trash soon. Girl, this expired last year. I will not let rotten food stay in this fridge. Not me finding something that expired in 2020. What? Okay, so here she is. Dun, 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 dun. Does it look any better? Probably not. Let's see. Any better? Okay, here is the end result. This is what I came up with. Over here we have all of the hot sauces, kind of the regular condiments like ketchup, mustard, there's barbecue sauce, mayo. Up here, cheese, this giant thing of minced garlic, and then jalapenos. And then over here was just a little random thing. So there's no structure here. It's just all the little things that fit here. Like an energy drink, olives, kimchi. What is this? Hot pepper sauce. Minced ginger. More ginger back here. Peppers. Wasabi. We have eggs here. And then sweetened condensed milk. Maraschino cherries. I didn't even see if these are bad. No, these are still good. Okay, you get to stay another day in this fridge. And as much as I wanted to have a meat drawer, there was just so many like loose end things that just needed a drawer. So, okay, this is like such a hot mess still. These are all the leftovers. This and everything here and here. So I'm hoping we eat all of that tonight. So this could be emptier by the end of the day, which I am hoping for. I think having like a fruit section would be good. So maybe like this spot could be all the fruits. We've got a lot of pickled things back here. This is the only meat, like other than the leftover. This is the only packaged meat. So I just put it there for now. We have Burker's yogurts, drink things here. Okay, she's yelling at me. That's what I came up with. I don't know if it's that much better, but I was able to get rid of a lot of expired things, so that's good. This part of the fridge looks like this. So we got our butter section, cream cheese section. These are just lemons and limes that have already been like cut up and used. Some grated cheese here. This is a little cheese basket. Deli meats, and then I didn't love this placement, but I had no idea where else to put this giant thing of tortillas. And if we buy like smaller ones like corn tortillas, we can just stack them on here. But that's what this drawer looks like. And now I need to tackle this part. Oh, I've been dreading this one. This is the weirdest freezer to me. Like, I'm not used to freezers like this. It's so strange, but we got these two sections, so let's see what I can do. I just took everything out of the freezer and I'm cleaning it. Oh my gosh, what is that? Okay, I'm tired. I'm gonna be done for today, but here is what it looks like now. So we've got all of our sweet treats here, and then I don't really know how I categorize this, like snacky things, patties, a few veg there. And then this part, we have like packaged food here, and then all of the mystery things, like there's a bunch of like unmarked meat and stuff. This is the mystery section. I have no idea. And then a few random things. See, I don't know. Maybe these are from my mom's garden. I don't know. And then she said these are cariokas. That's what it looks like. And that's it for now. Oh, I'm tired. Hair is up, apron is on, hands are washed. We got an order to do. First things first, we need to refill our flour. Again, I never know how to open these bags. No matter which way I open it, I always make a mess, without fail. It's this weird little flappy thing that always throws me off. Like, what are you? Like, look at how much flour is in there. Like, what are you? Weirdo. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Very nicely done. I mean, a little mess, minimal mess though, so that's good. So today I'm working on an order. I'm making some cookies, and actually cookies might be tomorrow. Or maybe later this evening. We'll kind of just play that one by ear. But for sure we are prepping some dough for some bread and some bagels, and my dad just bought cream cheese, so I'm going to actually double my bagel recipe so me and my family can have some bagels as well. Gotta make sure everything is nice and clean before we begin. I'm hungry. Should I eat first? No, let me just prep these doughs first and then I'll eat. I'm not sure what this view looks like, but I want to test it out. So let's grab a bowl. I'm just gonna make 2 loaves, so I don't need anything bigger than this. We do need the food scale though. Need to change this to grams. So here's Mary. She is at her peak. Okay. Whoops. Let me fix that. So we're gonna do 200 grams. It is the end of the night. I am so exhausted. I'm working on an order. My Johnny's home from work.
Eating chicken.
Remember how I said I wanted to take advantage of the fact that Johnny's coming home late, so I'm gonna spend a lot of time editing? That did not even happen. I did not even open my laptop.
Disappointed.
Do you know what I've been doing all day?
Yeah.
What?
You're gonna hate this, but nada.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sock you up right now. How dare you say I was doing nothing all day?
Suck you up.
I said sock you up. I'm exhausted from today. Way. Someone's at the door. Might be Catalan.
I beat her.
You beat her. Okay, I'm going to bed now. I'm so tired. And my feet are swollen. I didn't realize it until just now. But my feet are swollen. My toes look like little sausages. I can't go running tomorrow. I have to rest. But Johnny gave me a quick little foot massage and put castor oil all over my feet and wrapped them in socks. So hopefully it helps. Castor oil is just like the most healing oil. That is a absolute must-have for us at all times. This house will always have castor oil in it. But yeah, he rubbed that all over my feet and I'm gonna go to bed. I haven't been this tired in such a long time. I'm exhausted, I think, from running, from just being on my feet all day, cleaning the kitchen, prepping my order. That doesn't sound like a lot, but why am I exhausted? Like, that was so tiring. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Have a good night, you guys. See you tomorrow.